brother-in-law and sister-in-law got me these wonderful things for my birthday also. Aren't they great? I have a little cowboy gnome, and he's out here cooking a pot of beans. And someone that was out here a little too long in the desert, and he passed away, and we have a little cow skull. But I think it's so cute. I'm going to eventually, in another week or two, put this in its own little fairy garden. And hopefully you'll come back and check the blog out and the YouTube and check it out and see what I do with it. Bye, fairy followers. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to check out all my other things, and don't forget to subscribe. Well, scribe. You know I can't pronounce things. I'm old. That's always great. You know when you get old, you can blame everything on getting old. Bye. Don't forget to go to the blog and check out all the different places my little fairy was in my fairy garden before I decided to put her here. And don't forget the fairy garden blog has all different kinds of little short stories and little ideas about my fairy garden that are not on the videos. So don't forget to go check, everyone, all my fairy followers. I love for you to come back and see what we have for you next week. Everyone, all my fairy folks, here we are. It's wedding day. Well, they won't let me come to the wedding tonight, but they did say I could come to the rehearsal and give you an idea what it's going to sort of be like tonight. And here we have... So, here is the High Priestess. That isn't really her name. That's just something I'm calling her because I haven't had a chance to interview her to find out her real name. But isn't she lovely? She flew in just to do the ceremony, because normally she doesn't live here. That's why I don't know her name. And of course she has her beautiful yellow bonnet and her yellow wings and her yellow and white dress. She is just precious. And of course, as you can see, she has her magic stick in hand and her magic watering can. I also don't know what the purpose of these are in the ceremony, but I'm sure I'll find out when I interview her, along with her name. And over here we have the happy couple. Hi everyone, how are you doing? You getting all excited about the wedding? I know you look a little nervous. Everything will be fine. Everyone's put so much work into this wedding reception. After the wedding, you are just going to have so much fun. I don't want to spoil the surprise, so I'm going to sign off for now. I'll see you guys tonight at the wedding reception. Bye guys.